Hello everyone, so if you want to use your Stay Fit feature on your Huawei Watch GT4, first of all press your Chrome button, it's right here at the bottom of the screen, at the side of the screen, now press on it again, and now simply find your Stay Fit application. Here it is, now tap on it. Now let's readjust it to yourself, so scroll to the very bottom and press Reset Goals. Now you're to set your weight, which you currently have. I have 85 kgs for example. Press next. Now you're to choose the goal type, weight loss or to maintain the weight. I'll choose weight loss. Press next. Now you choose the rate of loss, so normal, fast and fastest. Choose the one which is suitable for you, and also remember about your health, because weight and the body fat in general is a very important matter. So first consultate with your doctor and then think of it. So for example, let's choose fastest. Press next. Now we are to choose a target weight achieved in 1 week. For example, I want to weight 80 kg in 1 week. Press next, and here we'll see the whole total. So the goal, the calorie deficit, the daily intake, daily exercise, recommended daily exercise, and the level of burned calories, right? So press start, press close or always allow if you wanna allow your goal to think, right? And now we can see the whole statistic line. So here is your calories burned, here is your advices, your calorie deficit levels, your intake levels, your calories burned once again, like daily, monthly, weekly, your current goal, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.